Corner fans have gotten all the rave for a few years now. They are compact, they can be installed almost anywhere, even in the kitchen. And they look nothing like the old school coffee shop wall fans that you or your parents grew up seeing. It's no wonder more and more homeowners are buying corner fans for their homes. So, why are corner fans getting more and more popular? Well, I chatted with many of our customers in my shop and understand that there are three main reasons. First is their ceiling layout. Many homeowners prefer having a wide range of stylish ceiling lights in their home instead of ceiling fans. So a corner fence is the only option if they don't want to go for stand, table, or traditional wall fans. Second, ease of cleaning. Have you ever tried cleaning the traditional wall fans? Removing the grill, the blades, washing them, drying them, and assembling everything again, and the grill getting rusty over time. Corner fans effectively eliminate the problem. Thirdly, believe it or not, many of our customers, especially new homeowners, are concerned about feng shui. Apparently, it is bad feng shui for some homes to have anything spinning right on top of you. So, they get creative and install a corner fan at the side instead. Well, let me know in the comments whether that is true. So, considering the other reasons above, together with other factors which I think are also important, I set out to test 4 different corner fans from different brands and models. And hopefully, this video will help you make a better decision on which to purchase. So, if you watched my previous ceiling fan comparison video, first of all, thank you. A lot of people give very good feedback in the comments, and one thing that came up quite often was that I didn't include testing the noise. So yep, listening to your suggestion, for this video, besides testing the wind speed and comparing prices, I also included noise levels into the comparison. I hope this will make the results much more realistic for everyday home use. So, for this video, we are comparing 4 different corner fans: the Fanco Zeno, the Bestar Duo, the Alkova Joy, and the Tristar Nano. And like I mentioned, we look at 4 different things in their comparison: wind speed at the highest speed setting, noise, price, and finally, warranty. I'll keep this video simple and straightforward by sticking to these 4 considerations, and later in this video, I'll share a bit about the placement of the corner fans and how to clean them. Not going to touch anything about feng shui though. Alright, let's start with the basic numbers first. So immediately, when you look at all the numbers, right, something already becomes very obvious. The strongest fan we have here is the Alkova Joy, giving you 3.29 meter per second. And boy, I can really feel the difference in wind when I was testing it. But it's also not the most expensive one. At $199 only, that's honestly quite impressive, especially when you compare to other fans that cost over $300. So purely from a wind speed and price perspective, if someone just wants the strongest airflow for a low price, this could be it. But the Alkova Joy is also the loudest fan in this comparison at 62.9 decibel. Now to some people, that may not matter. I mean, if you are using it in a kitchen or a living room during daytime, it's perfectly fine. But if this is for your bedroom or study, then suddenly noise becomes much more important. And this is why I think buying a fan can actually be more complicated than people realize. Because stronger wind usually means there are more airflow being moved by the blades. And that often means more sound, so there's always some trade-off. The good thing is that the Alkova Joy comes with 8 speed settings as compared to the other 3 models which only comes in 5 speed settings. If you feel that the wind noise is too loud, just lower down the speed. What's more, the Alkova Joy also has a variant called Joy W, which comes with a special wall mounting design. Although the other 3 also come standard with either a ceiling or wall mounting bracket, what makes the Joy W different is it is built with another special wall mounting design which does not have a drop-down motor and blades. So if you have a very low ceiling, or if you have a concern that the blades may hit someone, the Joy W effectively eliminates the problem. Now, if you look at the quietest fan in this comparison, that will be the Fanco Zeno at only 59.9 decibel at the highest speed. At 7 decibel difference, it is significantly quieter than the Alpha. So, while the wind speed is lower than the Alpha, the experience may actually feel more comfortable in certain rooms. What's more, this is the only corner fan which comes with a dimmable tricolor LED light. Although it is not as bright as what ceiling fans offer, I think it is very useful, especially in the middle of the night where you don't want to disturb your partner or kids by turning on bright light. And you can dim the light to the minimum if you just want a soothing nightlight throughout the night. At this point, I think it's useful for you to think about how you actually use the fan. For example, if it's for sleeping, studying, or a quieter environment, you may appreciate lower noise more than maximum wind speed. But if it's for ventilation in a hotter room, kitchen, or somewhere with very poor airflow, then maybe stronger wind becomes the priority. Continuing with the fans, for somewhere in the middle, you have the Tristar Nano, not the strongest and not the quietest. It's more balanced overall with a wind speed of 2.79 meters per second and a noise at 62.9 decibel. And it has a longer warranty coverage too. So, this one feels more like an all-rounder option. Then, there's the Bestar Duo. Now, this is clearly the budget option at $168, which is the cheapest among all four. Wind speed is lower at 2.12 meters per second, but depending on your expectation, that may still be enough for smaller rooms. And for some people, budget is still the main factor. Oh, by the way, Bestar Duo also has a special Haga version where it uses a more vintage bell design body. The Haga version may blend in perfectly in some homes. By the way, if you have been enjoying these comparison videos, do help me to like this video and subscribe to my channel, okay? Thank you. This is a rather new channel, so I need all your support. Also, let me know in the comments, would you prioritize stronger wind flow or quieter operation? I think this is quite interesting because different people definitely have different preferences. Okay, now let's talk about warranty for a while, because this is something many people overlook during a purchase. The Fanco Zeno and Tristar Nano both come with a 4 years warranty plus lifetime motor warranty. This gives a bit more peace of mind long term, especially if you have planned to use the fan for many years. The Bestar Duo gives 2 years warranty plus lifetime motor warranty. I think this is still decent for the price. But then, the Alkova Joy, well, it has the strongest performance here. But there's only 1 year warranty? Well, if you are concerned about the warranty, nowadays, the technology for corner fans and ceiling fans have improved dramatically over the years. And if you ask me, many other brands such as KDK, Crestar, and Alaska, all well-known brands by the way, are similarly providing 1 year warranty for their fans. And yeah, they tend to last way longer than that. So, while the warranty might be considered a trade-off for some, I think the other considerations would be more important when you decide what matters more to you. Anyway, for these corner fans, placement also matters. If the fan is blocked by cabinets or walls too closely, airflow won't circulate properly. So even a strong fan can end up feeling weak if placed incorrectly. And don't mount it too high also because you want the airflow to reach you properly. But please note that most of the corner fans oscillate at least 90 degrees, so it will be advisable to install it at least 30 centimeters away from any obstacle or the wall to prevent the blades from hitting anything. So, after looking at all 4 fans, what's my personal opinion? Honestly, if your priority is the strongest wind flow and the best value for money, the Alkova Joy stands out very clearly. 3.29 meters per second at $199 is very difficult to beat. It has 8 speed settings to play with if you find the wind noise too loud. But if you are using it mainly for sleeping, then personally, I think the Fanco Zeno is also a very strong contender as it has a built-in LED light, which is dimmable. Best for homeowners who are looking for less glaring light and night light throughout the night. It is also quieter and the warranty coverage is also better. But if you just want something affordable and simple, then the Bestar Duo still makes sense, especially for smaller rooms or lighter usage. And if you want something more balanced overall, then the Tristar Nano sits somewhere comfortably in the middle. And one thing's for sure, any of these corner fans will beat the old school wall-mounted fans we see at the coffee shop. I mean, they served a purpose for public spaces, but they will be quite difficult to maintain. For corner fans, just remove the nozzle and wash the blades, or simply wipe the blades with a damp cloth. That's it. So, in the end, the best corner fan isn't necessarily the strongest one. It's the one that suits your room, your lifestyle, and what you personally prioritize every day. So yeah, hopefully this comparison helps you make a better decision if you are looking for a corner fan. And if there are other appliances comparisons you would like me to test next time, please leave a comment below. I run a humble neighborhood appliances shop called New City Electrical that's located in Tampines. I think for appliances like corner fans, maybe they are easier to understand when you actually see them, feel them physically. So, you're more than welcome to look for me there. Okay, remember to like and subscribe to my channel, okay? I'll be introducing more home improvement products in my next few videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.